को ही रेस्ट करने को कह दिया है, खुद को माफी दे दी, टाइम ऑफ दे दिया, पर कभी खुद को चैलेंज भी दिया है। खड़ा हो, जूते पहन और निकल पड़ बांध के अपने फीते फाते। बहुत पागल होना पड़ता है, किताब ऐसे पड़े रहकर नहीं जीते जाते। मैदान में पहुंच, वहां देख, कोई ना कोई तो जरूर आया होगा। और अगर आज तू नहीं पहुंचा तो सोच, उसने तेरे ना आने से कितना हौसला पाया होगा। हारना जीतना ये सब लगा रहता है, तू रोज पहुंचने की आदत तो बना। बीमारी, सर्दी, गर्मी, चोट, ये भाई मौसम है, इनको अपना घर मत बना। गिरेगा, चोट भी लगेगी, कभी कभी तेरी तबीयत भी खराब रहेगी, पर अब चोट को तू लग जा और जिद्दी हो तो तबीयत भी लाजवाब रहेगी। ये तो सब बहाने हैं, तेरा दिमाग तेरे मजे लेता है, क्योंकि जिस दिन रेस होना दोस्त, उस दिन तबीयत पे कौन ध्यान देता है। हर रोज को नई एक रेस बना, रोज ही चढ़ जा लेके खर्चा पानी, क्योंकि जीता तो बस वही है जिसने रोज हार के भी हार नहीं मानी। सांस फूलेगी, छाती तेरी फट फट के बाहर आने वाली होगी, बस यहीं पे मत रुक जाना, क्योंकि एक छोटी सी जीत आज तेरे हाथ से जाने वाली होगी। इन छोटी छोटी जीतों से अपने हौसले को तैयार कर, अपने जिस्म को हरा हरा के उसको जीत के लिए बेकरार कर। अगर भागना तेरे लिए युद्ध नहीं तो तेरा भागना ही बेकार है। देख अपने हाथ, दो ढाल, तेरे पैर शिवाजी की तलवार है। अभी थोड़ा ही भाग पाता है तो उतना ही भाग, छोड़ क्यों, किस लिए, कैसे, ये सारे सवाल। धैर्य रख, सब होगा, धीरे धीरे देख अपने पैरों का कमाल। वृक्ष की तरह रोज बढ़ोतरी, रोज कल से ज्यादा खुद को भगाना पड़ेगा। और उस खुदा को मत भूल जाना, उसी से तो ये सारा दम मांग के लाना पड़ेगा। पास होगा या फेल, ये किसी और के नहीं, तेरे हाथ में है। और जिसको ये बात अच्छी तरह मालूम है, भगवान तो बस उसी के साथ में है।
Sir, increase your volume, sir, in your computer.
Yeah. Okay.
Below that, yeah, sir, here.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. Still.
just replay again. Shall we start?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Clear, audio?
Yeah, yes, sir. Clear, sir. Everything is clear,
Slides
sir.
are clear, slides?
Yeah, slides also clear.
Okay. Good morning, dear coaches, physical directors, and performers, ladies and gentlemen. I take this opportunity to thank our Director General, Sports Authority of India, ED Academics, ED Coaching, and our Director from Sports Authority of India, Sai Sadan Center, Bangalore, and all the high performance directors and the HODs of Patiala and Bangalore for giving me this opportunity to share my views amongst the coaching community. Of course, I take this opportunity to remember all those great coaches who contributed, who brought fame and laurels for the country since inception of Volleyball Federation of India. This, coming to the task, psychological preparation in volleyball, it is purely a specialized subject. ये अब तक क्रिकेट में, हॉकी में, maybe shooting में, after winning gold medal in Olympics, Mr. Bindra, he might have taken the specialist psychologist with the team, with the wherever they go for the international competitions. I felt it is the need of the hour now. You see, the present crisis, you just think about the present crisis. This corona has made us to sit inside. If you want to survive, mentally you must be strong. Recently, just I saw some of the videos in the WhatsApp. In Italy, a owner, star hotel owner, committed suicide. Money, plenty of money is there, but nobody is there. All family members died. Why I'm telling this? Generally, we go for health checkup. Everybody. But have you gone for the hospital for mental checkup, mental health checkup? No one might have done this. क्यों अगल बगल वाला बोलता है वो ये पागल का खाना गया भाई कुछ गड़बड़ होगा ऐसा सोचेगा because the trend is such. So mental health is the need of the hour. Because I started inclining towards this subject when I heard from Kurup sir, because we were interacting when sir was there with Syam sir. I used to interact during training hours. I come to know the medal winning match, the last medal for the country, 1986 Asian Games. Jimmy Saab has not participated in the warming up before the match. Others are doing warming up. I think a coach may be knowing this. Kurup sir has shared this. He went inside the changing room and came only when they started warming up with ball. All physical movements, physical maneuvers and all, he was not involving. That means what he has done inside the room, nobody knows. Kurup sir was astonished to say his face. It was like completely warmed up, reddish. That means he might have done some factor of the psychology, he might have focused. I think yesterday also, just I was going through the WhatsApp, newly introduced. There, Dalil Saab and I think Kirtish Kumar, they were the team members. They were chit-chatting. There, Dalil he was telling, on that day, we don't know what happened to him. Whatever the ball he touches, whatever the contact he made, that was 100% successful. For replying to that, Mr. Kirtish was telling, that's sure. He was playing as if Hanumanji is inside his body. Hanuman, Anjaneya. That means some psychological factor has helped him to perform so well. So what I feel, I wanted to explain this task through some of the experiences and incidents happened. Instead of going directly for theoretical aspects, the definitions and all, nowadays I think you can go through Google, you can find out very easily. I will just go and try to explain this with the practical aspect directly, because we let us go how to improve this quality, mental qualities in a performance players through coaches, because all the team cannot carry psychologists. There won't be any lab. Only Bangalore we have, Patiala, then Calcutta, all headquarters, they have the facility. So where the teams are trained at a district level, state level, university level, they may not be having this facility. So how to train? What are the qualities required to reach elite performance, and also how to train them inside the ground? That aspect we will focus. So psychological preparation, or the new terminology is mental conditioning or preparation, we say, is one of the major performance factor, and it is an integral part of training system. We cannot leave this. Earlier it used to be triangle, 80s. Now it is square. 4 major factors are required to reach elite performance. The physical factors, technical factors, tactical factors, Then psychological factors. We cannot neglect this factor. To reach elite level, we have to focus on these factors also as coaches. Now, of course, generally, the time has come to the coaches and physical directors to look beyond medals and should focus on health-oriented program, because we have 138 crores. Still, we are struggling to reach elite level. Now, in order to face the hurdles arising like this, Corona, we require mental stability. Mentally, we must be strong to face this circumstance. See, from 1 month, nothing. Economically, our country is struggling. But to sustain that, we require mentally strong. Of course, why my interest go on there? Because the factors I will come later. What are the psychological factors? I was watching 2 days back, I think last week it seems, Ramayana, where Sri Ramaji's camp has reached Lanka. They are ready to fight. Next day is the war, because they have killed all his brothers, sons, Ravana's sons, and only Ravana left with his soldiers, and they went, they are waiting, they are planning for the tomorrow's program. But at Ravana's camp, on that day and night, he is enjoying with the entertainment, with the dancers and all. That I saw in the episode. Just a day before the war with Ravana, Ravan war. इसमें क्या समझ में आ रहा है हमको? Ravana wanted to infuse the confidence in his army. That he is not fearing, still he have confidence to beat Sri Rama's camp. Again, same way, in other way, he wanted to create fear on the Sri Rama's camp. Why? See, I am not at all fearing, I will kill you tomorrow. That is the trend. The other angle, if you see, in Rama's camp, the soldiers and other people may think, oh, you see, tomorrow there is a war, like our competition. Tomorrow is the competition. If we behave like this today, he is enjoying the night. So the element of fear in the Rama's camp may come, but Sri Ram, he knows that he is going to win. But why this example I give? There is an element of psychology. He wanted to create a panic in Sri Rama's camp by doing that actions. That's why, so mind plays an important role in every walks of life. And especially, it plays an important role during crunch situations. Crunch situations. Why? Of course, this sentence, coaches must allow the young players to use their own brain during training and competition. That crunch situation will come later on. Why I am telling this? Especially youngsters, sub-juniors, mini, sub-junior, junior, this age group, we should allow the players to use their brain. You see, volleyball network they should develop. Example, you are doing a wall practice with ball. There, simply practice 100 repetition, 200 repetition, it is going to dogs. Instead of that, you tell, okay, every alternate ball, you put one to the red mark, one to the green mark, another to the yellow mark. Made in the training wall. There, the seriousness, using of his brain will involve. That's why coach should allow the players from the young age to encourage them to use their own brain. Not all the time looking after the coaches for the direction. Coach cannot play inside. So this situation you should create, especially for the youngsters. Crunch situation, I am coming back now. See, we lose frequently at the knockout stages, especially quarterfinals. Knockout stage means quarterfinals, semifinals, finals, and at the 0 hour when the score is neck to neck. after 20. Some examples I will quote. See, in Sydney Olympics, hockey team, Indian hockey team, only 40 seconds was left. They were leading with Poland, and they lost the match with the last 40 seconds. I think recently that trend has changed because of the training methodology, the mental trainer has been included. Why this happened? These are my views. Please don't mistake me. They might have thought only 45 seconds. They are supposed to play with Pakistan in semi-finals. Within 40 seconds, their body, the nerve and muscle relation might have gone. They were, because they were already focusing, we are going to play semi-finals with Pakistan. But the value of that 40-45 seconds, they have forgotten. They lost. Some long cross gone and they have scored. Because that response, the reflexes might have gone down already. Because his mind is somewhere already. What I felt, that's the reason for losing. We lost. It was a draw. They qualified on the better run rate, a better goal average. So same way, you just imagine, we were leading 24-11 at Rio de Janeiro 2011 World Championship, Junior World Championship with Serbia. Suddenly, just a point. It should have been 1-1. The set should be. Our players' mind, our receiver especially, might have disturbed, what I feel. Because the best server from Serbia, the universal player, he was the server of the tournament. He went for service. That has created a panic in my camp. So naturally, we lost that set. Can you imagine? From 24-21. Why this happened? The fear factor arised. So I felt this is the main reason we should increase psychological training. In that situation, such situation arises, what you have to do? It will help the athletes to have controlled emotion, controlled aggression, controlled quick decision-making abilities to overcome these current situations. So the setter has to immediately take decision. Sometimes attacker has to take decision against single block, no block, double block, triple block. How to overcome? Same way against best server. Instead of sending the ball exactly, safety first tactics, you should use the receiver, the server. What was the score? How to serve? You see, that has to be developed. Why I am telling? Controlled emotions. Good example I give. PVL. Second leg started in Chennai. We supposed to play with the U Mumbai. We were leading 14-10. Of course, the last 3 matches in Kochi, we played the same tactics I applied. When Akin went for service, I was substituting Hari, I think attacker. He was doing well in the earlier matches. Thinking that, I thought of inducting as a defender. Safety service he was having. Suddenly, because of the crowd, Chennai crowd, he committed a blunder, mistake. It is 11-14. We never expected Deepesh Sinha to serve jump service. I took 2 timeouts was available, that has gone. But in the training I saw, Deepesh, he used to go for floaters only. He's a good floater, jump floater, server. But jump service, he was successful. I think 4 or 5 points continuously he took. Of course, I should appreciate the effort of Deepesh Sinha. But the main problem arises in my team is they lost faith on my decision of substituting. Why it happened? They were focusing on that instead of focusing on 1 reception and 1 change. 1 change means that set should have been ours. The confidence on my decision might have gone. That is my opinion. So this is the problem if we don't give the mental training. Lack of mental preparation leads to worry, anger. You see, the concentration will come down, unstable mood. If the joy, sometime angry, sometime very introvert like, it causes the inconsistent performance. Worry. A good example here, if we don't have a job, the player, performer, and he is suddenly a phone call came, there is an interview, immediately maybe. So instead of focusing on the match, he may focus on the job because he don't have a job. So that angle may disturb. Same way, nervous and anxiety. Just say, for this qualities, mental qualities, I can explain this. Why nervousness will arise? Sydney again. Ben Johnson is a world record holder. While entering the Olympic village, there is a big cutout. There, entering Indian athletes, they are seeing, because Adidas or Seiko, they are advertising, they were frightened, means little bit psychologically disturbed. Aha, we have to run with this guy, because in the heats, he is supposed to run. That one athlete has shared this news with me. So that means what will happen? The anxiety starts to build up. He before the competition, before the event comes, he is doing all sorts of warming up, whatever they did during the training, but still not warmed. The body is not warming. By his focus is only on Ben Johnson. So this may create the problem. Same way, nervous and fear, these mental factors. That fear factor comes when the players are not having confidence in themselves. Even though they have a confidence, that situation may arise where they may deviate. The good example is 2006, it seems, Japan team, there is a dining hall, a separate room is there for video analysis, but even then, separate video hall is there, but even then, the Japan team came with laptop and paper and pencil after dinner, sit in the dining hall, where Indian team is taking dinner, because we have to play a match with Japan next day. Their idea was to create some sort of fear on us. So they were watching our previous match, but that video was visible for our dining table. And each player were evaluating. A middle blocker was evaluating themselves, what I have to do to tackle Indian blockers when they are attacking. When he is attacking, how to tackle that blocker. So such things as will create fear on the mind of the players. This will disturb the performance. Here, another thing, hard work. They may not, if there is a fear, they may not like hard work. So this factor. Another thing, stress factor. This is it's a part and parcel of every human being. Stress not only for the sports person, in every angle we can face this. A very good example for the coaches, how stress arises. Because there won't be much stress for second six when they play a training match with starting six. The good example was 86 Asian Games team only. Kurup sir has just expressed this experience. One day, night, at 2:35, the night time was 2:35. The small needle was in 2 and the 35 is the bigger. He got up by seeing the watch, thinking that it is 7:10 and he is getting ready, put on tracksuit and all, he is getting ready to go. Suddenly, Madam Kurup came and said, where are you going? You see, time is 2:35, 2:40 now. Suddenly he realized, why I am telling this? The stress factor for the coach. Why? He was telling the starting 6 years never won the match, training match with second 6. All the time, second 6 वाले ही जीत रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो second 6 में खेलने वाला का mental pressure नहीं रहता, not much stress on them. So the stress factors will create for lack of focus and emotional depression. That's why a mental preparation is the required. So some of the psychological qualities required. Of course, there are made two groups, two patterns, because I have followed FIB level 2 coaches manual. From there only I just selected some of the informations. Here, we coaches should understand, the players should know these are the factors. Sense of space and time. Sense of space and time. It should relate space and time. The timely reflexes for the ball. What movement he should have to reach that ball. If the ball coming with 130 km speed or only 50 km speed, if the ball comes, what type of movements he require. So that sense he should have. Same way, sense of sight and motion related to the first point only. But here, eye contact with movement. See, when there is a double block, the defender has to move accordingly. When there is a single block, he has to move accordingly. When there is a group block, but there is a gap in between, he has to move accordingly. So that sight and motion relation he should have, the player. Same way, the sense of feeling for the ball during service, during blocking, during hitting, during reception, with powerful service, where floater serve comes, the feeling the player must have. For that, we should create these situations. Same way, movement memory. Movement memory. I was just telling, the switching over take place. I was telling in Dubai also, one Rashid tournament, Ravikant Reddy, Rajesh and Abhijit were in the front row. Being a setter, he is supposed to come to position 2. But they have decided, if the first pass is not accurate, they will switch over. Ravikant will be at 4 only, Abhijit will be at 2 because of the better blocking option, because first pass was not good, means definitely position 4 they will aim. So blocking will be better. Same way, that tactics they use with against Ukraine, they won. So that switching over, immediately they should take decision. If first pass is good, what to do? If first pass is not good, what to do? Those aspects. That is a movement memory. Then same way, perception consciousness. That means it is including of all the qualities. Perception, he should perceive what he is doing. What is the score when he is performing? If the score is 24 all, what to do? If the score is 23 all, 24, opponent 23 hours, what we have to do? So these things we have to focus. Same way, operational thinking. For the team, you should think. When the score is 24-22, this incident happened. A setter used, there are 3 attackers in front, setter is coming from 1, calling for wave attack, second tempo attack from position 2. But bad luck, the first pass gone almost towards 4. All the 3 attackers within the span of 3 meters, because first pass has gone. So nobody behind the setter. Then what the opponent blocker will do? They will combine and they will finish the attacking plan. So here, what setter is supposed to think? Immediately, you should think, okay, first pass has gone there, or normal, safety combination, whether it is a 1, 2, 3 combination, whatever you have in each rotation, one safety combination when the first pass or defense is not up to the mark. That tactics they should have used. So that thinking is required. Now, the second aspect is complex mental qualities. Here, little bit difficult qualities. Here, first one is steady, stable, high-spirited mood. See, mood, that is really very important for the player to have a positive attitude. Or else, if you have a negative attitude, definitely it will reflect on the performance. Why I was saying, there is one Daimatsu, one coach, who is a famous coach from Japan. What he did, one session, training session, defense training was going on, that the captain of the team was involving. He found that she was not putting, women team it was, Daimatsu, who found a rolling technique. When he come to know she was not focusing, he has called separately all the members attending the camp and put her in the middle and started banging the balls from all corners. Almost blood was coming out. This has happened, the reality. I have gone through the article. Why he did that? Later on, everybody was fearing. She was a captain and also very good performer. But on that day, something happened. Why? He has taken this initiative, coach, because he was not putting 100% effort during defense training. Then later on, after sending everybody, he has called her and consoled her, and he made her to realize what he did. Being a captain, if you are not showing the dedication, the interest for doing the work, how can you expect from the other members? You should take the responsibility first. Then she realized that is the history later on. I think 64 Olympics, I was I'm telling. So a way, indomitable fighting spirit. Fight to finish spirit is required for the player. Till the end, the opponents may be leading, but we must have, you see, in volleyball, game may finish within 45 minutes also on match, and it may take 2 hours, because in each match, almost 1,000 actions are there, and each player may do 5 to 6 actions with or without ball per rally. Even example one, when the receivers are standing, all the 3 members and other 3 members also involving in movement, without ball movement. 80% of the game is without ball movement. So that's why here the fighting spirit is required when we are down, especially when the you see, one example, Koreans are very famous for showing the fighting spirit. From down, we should try to catch maybe a strong team opponent, but there is some loopholes in the strong team to trap them. So that we have to. Even Vietnam is fought with America for several years without sophisticated weapons. That is possible to overcome if we have the killing instinct, fighting spirit. Then the next point is quick, sharp, and then confidence and determination to win. That winning attitude, confidence, that is the important factor in psychological factors. One must have the confidence. See, Lang Ping has narrated one experience. They were trailing 4-8. That time it is 15 points game. In the Olympics finals, I am telling. From 4-8, they regrouped and they were showing the determination to win. So that was, she is telling it was hell-like attitude from all the 12 members to beat America. So of course, from 4-8, they won the set and the match also they have won and gold medal. That is one reason. Same way, that determination, confidence is required in every player. Why I was telling, from 3-7, I think Pune World Championship, FIB, Junior World Championship, we were trailing 3, Russians were 7. From here, actually Gurinder was serving, Vaishnav and Naveen were in front row, Ranjit was there. They, from 3-7, they fought beautifully to go 12-7 in that set. Deciding set, I am telling. If you see the video, you will understand. So that much confidence, yes, we can. That attitude is required. Then quick, sharp and in-depth thinking power. Individual thinking power here, not the group. Individual thinking power is required. One example is Zhang, is a Japanese attacker who is having only 1.74 meter, not taller. But she got the best women attacker award in, I think, 2014, if I am right, 14 World Championship. Why she got? She only narrated, I am short, but I am good in speed and variation of attack. While attacking again, I use the intelligence during spike. That's why I was successful. That means the shorter players also can excel. I think Naveen, now I think the under-23 captain, also some India, it is not so tall, but they are excelling. That attitude is required. Then counterbalance of mental qualities. Counterbalancing. Here, some player may be having soft nature, some may be having flexible, some may be having rigid, hard. This nature, I think Ballu's example is really worth here. Once Samsar was telling, he lost the match. I think 17 times they won the nationals. He lost the match with the Samsar team in the nationals, the finals, and he could not console himself. Such a terrific look. He was saying, from so many years we were winning, suddenly he lost. The attitude for winning, because he is a fighter, not soft nature. Same way, another example, Jimmy Saab, even though he's a best example for the best conduct, I think Guntur Nationals, jump service, first time he introduced in India. By the time 80s only they started, Brazilians, they were started doing this. When he was doing, behind the takeoff was behind and landing inside the ground, the referee was catching all the time. He is a really gentleman. He never approached to the referee quarreling. He was continuing. Okay, in every rotation he was catching, but he was accepting just going. Later on, yes, in the press conference, he told, that is the rule. Takeoff, at the takeoff, time of takeoff, if you touch the line, it's foul. But it's not a foul. He was successful. So that way, lastly, yes, just told, that is real sportsman spirit. Yes, so here counterbalancing required. Coach should know if all the starting six is having violent temperament, what will happen? If all the six is having over cautious or over too much carefulness, that's also danger. That's why you should compensate. You should select the team in such a way the team should be balanced in all these psychological qualities. Then comes the stress management. As I have told you, so there are so many psychological methods are there that when training comes, I will narrate. Here, stress management is another important factor. If psychologist specialist is not there with the team, a coach has to manage. If you want to give stress, you just tell starting 6. You have decided you have started giving training. Suddenly you tell, okay, today you are not playing the starting 6. The other guy will play. That time you can imagine what is the stress for that particular player. Okay, this training match, he is ready for training match. Maybe selection is coming closer. Training match, he is preparing himself. Suddenly coach will tell, okay, now your maybe slight injury maybe was there. Injury means not major, but he wanted to participate. But if coach not allowing him, that is different stress will create. Again, if it allows, another stress will create. So you have to manage by managing the class, managing the scenario. Okay, that is very important. I think the best example was, I think, 1993, same psychological related. Once the sociometry test was conducted by a Cuban coach. Suddenly, the person who conducted, the specialist, the test should have given that report, test report, to the chief coach, not to the other coaching staff also. That is the priority. But something, I think, hence I think the person was new. That results he come to know. When they were going, the players were going to the session. In between, in the row on the road only, he has pointed out one of the player whom the other players were not liking. Suddenly she was telling, "Hello, man, क्या भाई तुमको कोई पसंद नहीं कर रहा है टीम में? इसका असर होगा उसका ऊपर। साइकोलॉजिकल प्रिपरेशन जरूरत नहीं है क्या? इधर इसका कैसे कंट्रोल करेगा? वो कोच का रोल सिर दर्द है बहुत है." So then he become mad. He come to know, yes, these guys are not. So but according to the coach lineup, is maybe the starting 6. In case what happened, he is not feeding properly. He is not involving in training properly. When there is a session, he may not feed the ball to the player, even if he is in very comfortable zone. A free block situation also there, he may not feed the ball to the. So this problem will arise. That's why we should deal very carefully when we deal with psychological factors. And here, in the psychological factors only, I wanted to stress more on team cohesion. Team unity, that is the topmost priority. Here, because ours is a team game, not with the individual brilliance, we cannot achieve the result. That's why whenever I took the team, I don't know whether they like or not, I never used to encourage for hero worship. No hero was required in my team. I want all the 12 should be hero, or all the 14 should be hero. That was my attitude. So that's why, of course, they cope up with my attitude of training. Here, the preconditions are mutual respect is required for team cohesion. If attackers with blockers, blockers with setters, same attacker when he go for reception, that relationship. Then effective communication. Communication, that is another important factor. You should have very good communication with the players, setter, with other attackers. You see, as I think in previous classes also it was discussed, the combinations only, maybe the numbering, or you give the fruit's name, or vegetables name, or that's all. Optical signal, 1, 2. Here, sometimes when the first pass goes wrong, when the defense ball goes wrong, you need to communicate. India, this is the biggest problem. हम अभी समटाइम इंग्लिश नहीं जाता, कुछ लोग हिंदी वालों का कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना, सेम वे साउथ इंडियंस का कम्युनिकेट कैसे करेगा, ये चीज जरूरत है. Same way between coach also, the communication between coach and players, interpersonal relationship should be good. Then only we can have team cohesion. A feeling for importance. Each player should give weightage to each individual, his role in the team. That is important. Not neglect, hey, libero chhod do. Each position is an important, having an important value. So that is required. Feeling of importance. Then everybody should have a common goal. What is the common goal? To reach the target, to win a medal. That is important. Then fair treatment. So this angle, we coaches should think that we should treat them equally, at par with whether is a substitute. I think one video I have shown, a Brazilian second universal. He was not played at all much in the starting six, but he came when the score, of course, score was favoring them. 13, when the score, Brazilian score was 13, the deciding set, he came and bombarded 2 serves, 2 aces. That means, can't we give the importance? Because of him, that time I think $80 million for the World Championship winners. So we should give the fair treatment for everyone, every member, whether it is during the camp or during the competition. That's why mental preparation here will help to improve friendly relationship between the players and between the players and coach. So there are 2 types of relationship here. One, cooperation style, friendly relationship, it prevails between players. It reduces the criticism. That is required, the need for winning. If competition arises between the players, sometimes that is unfriendly relationship, it may create hostile relationship. So negative results may come. But mutual rivalry is a must in order to improve. Like in our coaching profession also, we need to improve. There must be a rivalry between coaches. Because what tactics he uses, sometimes I may not like, but that way only the improvement possible. So mutual rivalry is important to progress further. Then role of the coach to maintain here. Here he must be objective. It depends upon how he guides the team, the members. Objective attitude of the coach towards all group members during evaluation and observation and support is required, both during competition and during the training, in order to have cooperation among the players. Then if it is subjective, only one-sided, that factors will impair the balance between cooperation and competition. That spoils the relationship. So this angle coaches has to focus. Now we come to the training factors. How we have to train the mental abilities. So first, we should cultivate good mental habits in athletes. Means we should create a situation during training itself, because if we have a specialist with us, psychologist, sports psychologist is not there, then during training, during organization only, we should create a situation for self-encouraging, self-counseling, self-assessing, self-motivating, self-restricting, self-mobilizing. Why I am telling? Because self-assessment means you only should decide if there is a group block, how to hit. If the score is 24-23, what he has to do. Because coach cannot jump in and take decision there at the last minute. So here, individually, he has to develop this quality. Then, high-level strict demand training program. Of course, I think Mr. Chauhan was pointing out, psychology ka Sam sir is the good example. Antenna will look after. That means here we have to demand by the players you have to do here. I think I noticed from almost 10 years I was with the 2001 to 2011, I was there with the federation. I have noticed whenever Sam sir just entered the training hall, the players will automatically perform 20% more. Example, they are doing even strength training. If you have told, if it is a strength endurance or endurance strength oriented, they will do instead of 10 repetitions, they may do 15 repetitions. The quick movements will improve. The intensity automatically will improve. Why? Because of that fear factor. That is a must in certain situations. We have to demand. Same way what he did, Daimatsu, the coach of the Japan team, कैप्टन नहीं किया तो ठीक से दूसरों से क्या उम्मीद कर सकता हूं मैं? ऐसा इसका रगड़ा डिफेंस में तुम इन्वॉल्व नहीं हो तो 100% कैसा उम्मीद करें? विमेन टीम में तो ज्यादा डिफेंस है, मोर नंबर फॉर एलिस. So such a way we have to demand. Then educate the athletes. They should understand themselves. What is my strong point? What is my weak point? Same way opponent, they should try to analyze the opponents. And same way what we have to do when the team is leading, when the team is behind. Mentally, they have to withstand the pressure. If what you have to do when we are winning, don't take casually. What happened with our women team? Don't mistake me. 24-14 against Korea. Maybe that coach might have planned play without any block, only defense or not. Because we cannot compare. That time, I think already some 6-7 years back it seems. There they have not shown a little bit confidence in the team on fighting spirit. From 24-14, losing the set. That means some problem with the nerve and relationship there. Nobody is believing nobody. That might have happened. So this we have to educate. What we have to do. Sometimes we have to dictate. You have to follow this. Then, of course, what the attitude of the player during after the victory and defeat. I think this information, that also we should cultivate. Then cultivate a sense of collective honor. Success is not by one. Example, can you imagine only 2 serves he made, a substitute succeeded. Same way, and PVL, I have told one guy came and committed mistake. Oh, we lost because of you, because of one action. If you jump on him, what will happen? That is not good. We have to cultivate a sense of collectiveness for the success, and that commitment should be there by everybody, all the 12 or 14 members for the victory. We have to put up a good fight even when defeat is glaring. Hum haar rahe. Uska bawajood, we have to show our unity to fight back. Then of course, we should educate them how to analyze self. That's why players को समझ रहे हैं वो कोच का काम है, वो एनालाइजर का काम है. अरे खुद कभी करो वीडियो, सब अभी मोबाइल में सब कुछ कर रहे हैं, भी खुद एक मैच का ऑब्जर्व करो, नोट करो. कल मैच खेलना है तो इसका साथ में अटैक का टाइम में क्या करना, ब्लॉकिंग के टाइम में क्या करना, वो अटैक करने का उसका अप्रोच का पैटर्न क्या है, ज्यादा सेक्टर 1 में रहते के टाइम में क्या यूज कर रहे हैं ज्यादा, what type of attack he is using. So this they must focus. Then mental adjustment, they have to do a little bit relax sometime to focus on the task. Imagine emotions to remain in a state of calm and composure. See, as I told you, we can overcome the crunch situation only with calm and composure. Not too aggressive also, not too mild also. So this quality we have to create during training itself. Then memory and thought training. Here, for the junior level itself, from the youngster, mini level, we should try to inject them to their brain. I have told you in the beginning itself. Why? Example, you are making volley pass, they are practicing one-on-one. You create, even not over the net, maybe just 3 by 3 meters, they are performing one-on-one. He must know the value of volley pass, why he is using that. He should try to deceive that opponent by using the volley pass or maybe forearm pass. So there only they let them use the brain. Here, the main thing, I think our diploma guys knows, the verbal and optical signals he can make use. Verbally, they are making, maybe in triangle formation, they are making passes near the net, 3 members, 4, 3, 2, and 1 at the center, maybe 1 extra player, 5 members at a side. They will keep on doing the work with follow the ball. Let them remember the names, memory, names of the players, names of the vegetables, names of the fruits, names of the politicians, film stars. That means it must be a funny like also, but indirectly they are using their brain to train. That's why training itself, you try to inject the value of psychological qualities. Then try to memorize the names. Of course, during simple example, setter is giving training, you are giving training to the setter. Let him set the ball according to the optical signal. Maybe you put a lamps there, red, blue, yellow. So if red click, you set the ball here. If blue click, like that. You people knows that. So like that, but you should remember. Same way for the beginners, I used to do that. Let them find hitting, volley pass and underpass, these 3 skills only. But let them change the sequence. First contact is volley, second contact is forearm, third contact is hitting with only right hand, only left hand. Tight trap sometime, you add 4 actions, you add 5 actions. Degree of difficulty you keep on increasing. Why? They keep on memory. First they have to do, second what I have to do, third what I have to do. This way you have to inject the training to develop their memory. Of course, they should higher level. They should find out the reasons for point winning or losing. The formations, special skill formations. They should realize what formation, defense formation we should use if their first pass is good. If our team is organizing double, triple, but if block is not combining, triple block, I'm telling. If block is not combining, what formations? I think no team can win with one particular system. We have to change sometime accordingly. And that day there was attack libero in the middle. It's possible. Even all 6 rotations also you can keep libero in the middle. But other members, the all-round ability is required. All-round ability by all the 12 members is required. The present need of the hour. Why Russia won the Olympic Gold 2012? Because of that blocker become a universal. Because of the reach, 214, I think his height succeeded. That general quality is required, not only I am focusing on. That's why I tell our blockers, they should be a blocker first, then only attack. They should help our co-attackers, universal and outside hitters, by approaching for every ball. If a single block or free block comes, you ban. Or else only, sir, I just am against for blocker getting a best attacker award. No. Why it happens? Because our India, it's happening. Sometimes the first pass was coming nicely. In major competitions, it is difficult. First pass is not good means what work you have. Blocker का काम क्या है जी? उधर ही पास ही नहीं गए तो सेटर का पास तुम क्या घूमते रहोगे? वो टाइम में blocking is required. Blocking is the #1 quality of the blocker. So that way, the reasons for winning and losing and different formations, they should realize. I think Ravikant Reddy used to remember immediately the opponent formations, accordingly he used to instruct. Even for the positional fault, rotational fault, he used to catch. So that is sometimes cunning. That's why we need setters as cunning attitude. setters we should read for the team with a cunning attitude. But it is a plus point for the team. So such a way we should prepare. Then we should allow them to watch video of training matches and main matches. Then we should set up the models of examples like Ballu. I told you, I think he lost once with the Samsung team and he repented. He was waiting for the next action to finish the match. He was waiting to meet them again. That attitude. And model, as a model, we should keep somebody to follow. Jimmy, that example of how beautiful it is. He is not quarreled with the referee. That attitude is required. If you quarrel with the referee, can he give the point for you? No chance. Now video referral has come, maybe chances, but no chance. As per the rules, we can go. But that attitude we should encourage. Then image, visualization training. This is what we are going to do. The successful actions we should try to follow while sleeping, while walking, while eating. Anytime we can do this. Best example is Carl Lewis. He has taken the help of one meditation expert during 84, 88 Olympics. He won, I think, 10 medals, 11 medals out of 10 gold medals. Same way, Jimmy also might have used in the 86 Asian Games. I don't know exactly, maybe knowing by the team members. That visualization, you can do anytime. Think about the best performance. So visualization, if you do, cool-minded. That's why breathing technique. I used to just recollect PVL. I used the psychologist one, Divakar, Mr. Divakar. He has helped. Our franchise has helped me to take the help. Beautifully, he has arranged. Even Canadian and Ruslan and Rudy, they were enjoyed that training. Relaxing mentally before the main competition. So that we require. Relaxation technique. I think that specialist will be knowing better than me. Then, of course, simulation training. This is what we have to do. I think I will speed up. During training, to develop the mental qualities, we have to create these situations. Over-stress training. You create, if you win 3 rallies, 1 bonus point for you. 3 rallies continuously. The first example, 1-0, 2-0, 3-0. Forget about that. 3 rallies in 1 point only. This encourages the dig ability. Defense they should improve. Complex 2 actions. For that, you create the scene. Then non-stereotyped intervals. You give the break. Instead of giving after 25 points, you give after 30 points, 35 points, 50 points. In order to demand more from the players. Same way, handicap training. Means chasing. You start the set with 0-5, 0-8, according to the previous set scores. Same way, you create similar situations when the score is 21-24. How to catch them? If you surrender, that set has gone. So that angle you should think. Same way, a bonus point I have told you, side who first gain. Those who lead 5 points first, you can up them 1 point extra, 2 point extra. Same way, game with only single or group block. Single block, compulsory single block, no combined block, today's training match. Because we have to improve individual ability. I think in 2002, we faced 7 matches we played with China. First 3 matches we lost badly. Why? They were very good in individual blocking. Ours were not so good. Then we focused to give training for individual blocking. Then we should win 3 matches. They won 4, we won 3 matches. That has helped me to win the medal in the Asian Championship 2002. Because semi-final we met Chinese only. We were knowing them and we could able to win them. Then training matches under noisy, game with unequal number of players. Sometimes that's what starting 6 under in order to create the stress. You keep the players all strong players one side, all weak players one play, not like that. You mix up and play in order to create different scenarios. Means psychologically you have to create stress on the players, stress on the players. Then training matches under noisy and disturbing spectator conditions. So this, I think yesterday also pointing out, Coach Wahab was telling Iran, we cannot utter a word. I went 6 times to Iran. एक बात भी नहीं सुन सकता प्लेयर्स को, पहले ही मैच आने के पहले ही सब कुछ बताना होगा उसका. Because drums, bugles, everything, even in server, our server is going to the baseline, everybody in movement they will go. Those are not sitting and making noise. So how to perform under that condition? I think another best example is India-Pakistan match. Kurup sir was narrating. They were throwing goalie, steel balls, marbles inside the ground. So how to cope up under such situation? It was beatable, but if we give up, that match is over. So such situations we should create. Then training scheduled at the most unaccustomed and unsuitable time of the day or night. 12 बजे एक training session है, because in order to adapt biorhythm के लिए ये इंटरनेशनल किधर जा रहे हैं हम, उधर कैसा टाइम में क्या टाइम में मैचेस है वही टाइम में ट्रेनिंग देना. Game with poor low referees, sometimes it is not possible at the international level. Sometimes we may put them, because in order to test their mental abilities. गुस्सा हो गए तो कैसा इफेक्ट होगा. बेस्ट वाज किराली, player of the century, 88 Olympics finals, 2-0 America leading. Third set, 12-8 America leading, only 3 points for gold medal. But Russian team एक बार मारा टच आउट बोल के सेकंड रेफरी सामने रख दिया, बट फर्स्ट रेफरी गिवन आउट. किराली है, नोटिस कर दिया सेकंड रेफरी को, अरे ये टच आउट बोल रहे तुम आउट दे रहे बोलकर रेफरी के साथ झगड़ा किया. कैन यू इमेजिन? They lost that set. From 12-8, they lost that set. Only 3 points जरूरी था, gold medal match in the Olympics. So वो stress create करने के लिए आप लोग ऐसा coaches can create this situation. Then of course consist in reduce the difference between training and competition. Training कैसा है ऐसा ही competition में होना. कंपटीशन भी ट्रेनिंग जैसी फील करना. इधर ट्रेनिंग में एंजॉय करके कंपटीशन में रोना नहीं. इसलिए बोलते हैं ना, सम प्लेयर्स आर वेरी गुड, आउटस्टैंडिंग ड्यूरिंग ट्रेनिंग. व्हेन द विजल कम्स दे विल परफॉर्म बैडली. दैट्स व्हाई सच सिचुएशन वी शुड क्रिएट टू टेस्ट. ओके, ही इज फिट टू बी इनसाइड, मे बी स्टार्टिंग 6. सच प्लेयर्स सिलेक्शन के लिए भी सुविधा होगा. then simulate the outer natural conditions, same time, place, climate, situation. These are the I think I have explained. We have to acclimatize. Of course, that situation depends. That's why 1 week before also they will go in order to play in the same venue. So same way, simulate strategically with tactical variants. What tactics you are going to use tomorrow, same tactics you practice. So training as competition, competition as training. Then towards the end, of course, motivation training to arouse motives. This is very good example I can give. I think 2006 we were going for Kazakhstan. Federation also not revealing me. There is a prize amount, prize money. Suddenly when we reached at 12:30 in the hotel, they were waiting for a technical committee meeting. Tomorrow morning, next day morning, we have 9 o'clock match with Egypt. Suddenly they, after the meeting we come to know, myself and Mr. Khan, the coach, there we saw 12,000, I think 14,000 was the prize money, dollars, in dollars, 12,000, then 10,000. So every match if you win, $2,000. So all were in the sleepy mode. Suddenly when I come out and just I told them, hey, prize money है भाई, तुम लोग इतना जीतोगे, वो मैं फेडरेशन के रिक्वेस्ट करके तुम ही लोगों को दिलवा दूंगा बोला बस से. सुबह सिंह था उधर ही, गुरिंदर, मनदीप, ये लोग भी था. देवर वो नींद गायब हो गया. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग वी बेट इजिप्ट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय बैड लक, वी वन एशियन चैंपियनशिप में 8 मैच में 7 मैच कंटिन्यूसली जीत के 8वां मैच आ रहा है ईरान का साथ. ईरान वाज द एनिमी. वही है स्ट्रेस से. उधर क्या करेगा, ये फाइनल मैच के पहले हमारा प्लेयर को पकड़ेगा, कोई मनदीप के पास आके, भाई तुमको नौकरी दे देगा, इधर ही क्लब में आके खेलो भाई. मीन्स दे आर डिस्ट्रैक्टिंग. सो हम किसको रोके? हाउ कैन वी स्टॉप दिस? सेम वे ये उल्टा भी हुआ 2008 में. पाकिस्तान इंडिया मैच होना था, ये पाकिस्तान का मैनेजर वगैरह आके, हम खाना खा के रिलैक्स कर रहे हैं लॉन्ज में, ये आके हिंदी पता है ना हमारा शर्मा जम्मू कश्मीर का, क्या जी वो पंजाबी में बात करके, ये 1,50,000 रुपीस का जमा कर दिया एक एक प्लेयर का, ये हमारा टीम मेडल मैच में आ गया बोल के, सेमीफाइनल में आ गया बोल के इतना किया. कल का मैच जीत, कल इंडिया के साथ खेलना है, कल का मैच जीता तो 2 लाख पैसा डाल देगा अपना अकाउंट में, ऐसा बोल दिया. सो पंजाबी जानता है, पाकिस्तान वाला भी, बॉर्डर वाला, एंड ये भी हमारा लोग भी मैक्सिमम पंजाब का, उसका दिमाग में क्या असर पड़ा होगा, नेक्स्ट डे मैच का क्या असर हो सकता. अरे वो लोग इतना नहीं, हमको कुछ नहीं मिल रहा है क्या भाई, क्यों खेल? दैट मीन्स ये डेडिकेशन, सैक्रिफाइस, ये पेट्रियोटिज्म है तो ये मन में नहीं आएगा, नहीं आना चाहिए. क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर गोइंग आउट, वी आर गोइंग टू रिप्रेजेंट द कंट्री, नॉट तुम्हारा घर का नहीं है, तुम्हारा सबका प्रॉब्लम रहता है, बट पेट्रियोटिज्म, दैट इज द मेन फैक्टर. सो हियर द जॉब्स, स्पॉन्सर्स, पब्लिसिटी, ये चीज को भी ध्यान दिया तो वी कैन achieve maximum performance, elite performance, you can reach elite level. So there are other techniques, last slide, there are other techniques used to train the mental skills. This is a specialist work, biofeedback, mainly progressive relaxation. We coaches can do this one, progressive relaxation. Even after the training session, during the rest, usually after 5 sessions, you are giving a break. That time you can take them and relax them from top to bottom. Like some I learned with Mr. Divakar, and I am interested in this since beginning, because that will affect the performance. So mentally they must be cool, calm, and when required, aggressiveness they have to show. So same way, focusing, focus. This is I think I will conclude with the Michael Phelps example. Olympics, he is supposed to win in one Olympics 8 gold medals, 7 he won, 8th medal, tomorrow there is an event, but the press people, media, बहुत लोग आ गया, भाई, what is your opinion about you equal the Mark Spitz record, 8th, you are going to create world record, are you winning gold medal tomorrow, what is your opinion? Then he told, I know only 3 things. Coach will come and tell me, this is the schedule, practice and training is this time, and match is that competition is this time. And our recovery expert has come, he will switch off all my mobile, laptop, everything, and he will ask me to, he has taken everything, okay, sleep now. Dietitian has come, he took me to the dining table, he only put everything, what carbohydrate, protein, fats, whatever the quantity is required before that he has done. I know only this, and I am only focusing on tomorrow event. Dear friends, media people, come tomorrow after the event, I will explain you. He told, and he has broken the record, world record. 8 gold medals. So that's what focusing is required. Even our Sushil Kumar in the 2012 Olympics should have won the gold medal. In the semi-final, I saw second boat was going on, only 5 seconds was left, and he has given a point. 5 seconds, or else 2 minutes he should have saved the energy for finals. That energy should have saved. With Japan, is wrestler, he lost the match. But national anthem is not for silver medal. But even though he has won for the first time, silver medal, but gold should have been different. That's why that focusing is very important for the players. And positive all the time. But yes, we can. Even we are weak with against strong team, we should have a positive attitude. Then breathing exercise is required. Sometime before reception, before service, you should have seen they will have a deep breath and execute. Self-hypnosis, autogenic training. This, of course, a specialist will involve and do it. Okay, I think this is. I am concluding this with this. If you have any questions, you can ask. Because charts. If you have any doubts, it's okay. Or else, thumbs up. Of course, I have given my email ID. Anytime you can contact for information. Whatever I know, I can just express. Before the match, there was a question before the match, how to prepare for competition time. That's what adaptation. I think 1 week before. Our match is 4 o'clock evening, means Sunday evening, means next previous Sunday, we should have the same time practice, same time, and the same food habits. If they don't have non-vegetarian or vegetarian items, especially for our North India, Haryana people, they don't take non-veg. So we have to start giving the similar type of food here. And everything we have to create the atmosphere, training. Okay, against China we have to play. That Chinese videos we should collect. How we have to prepare the team against those tactics. What tactics they are using for reception. So that way we have to prepare our team. We have to, for adaptation week we call it. 1 week before we start that. So any questions are there? Ankush?
No, sir. After that, there is no question so far.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. If Coach Saab wanted to tell something.
Oh, thank you very much, Kumara sir. Very nice. We have seen that many things you are told about psychological. It is very effective. It's going to be effective for future also. Thanks a lot for your lecture. Very nice.
Thank you. So I take this opportunity to thank everybody, every officers involved in arranging this, because it's a beautiful stage arranged by Sports Authority of India Federation. It is a really worth. We can exchange our views. And I should thank on this occasion to Mr. Daljit Singh and Mr. Parmesh for including me in the panel. And also this PPT has been prepared by Mr. Manjunath. I have taken the help of Jewel and Mr. Dr. Ghosh also. But really, Manjunath was the All India University champion. He was with our STC scheme along with Raghuveer Singh. So
Okay.
he's a computer expert now. He's running a company. So he has helped me. I took him for a 2009 World Championship also for video analysis.
Wow.
Pune, he came. So thank you. Thank you once again. All the best. Stay home. Stay happy.
Thank you very much.
Stay safe.
Good
Thank
day.
you.